Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will guide you for the most important topic related RCC column failure reasons and its solutions. This video is especially for non-technical people which are not related with civil engineering and they want to build their house. Actually, non-technical people, they don't know what is steel structural design, what is proper supervision, what should be the standard size of column. They just want to build their house and they can take advice from the contractor. And you know, nowadays most of the contractor, they are uneducated. So therefore, when you don't have the steel structural design, when you don't have site supervisors, so you will face more problems in the future. So therefore guys, I am telling you, if you want to construct your house, if that is 2-story or 3-story, so you should hire the structural engineer to give you the structural drawing, proper structural drawing. In the structural drawing, you will get the design of foundation size, depth, beam size, its steel reinforcement, column size, its steel reinforcement, stair design, slab design. So therefore, they will give you step by step everything which can help you in the construction of your house. So therefore guys, I am telling you, when the column fail after some months, after 4 or 5 months, I saw many construction. So what's the reasons behind this? Because most of the people, they don't know what is steel structural design. So this is the main reason. So if you don't have the structural drawing and you want to build your house, you don't know the size of the column and you consider anything. So of course you will face the problem. The column will fail after 2-3 months because you don't know what is the structure load. According to the structure load, we design RCC column. We consider the size according to the structure load. According to ground floor, first floor, second floor, structure load. So therefore guys, I am guiding you. If you don't have the structural drawing, so what are the important points to avoid the failure in column? Okay. So the first reason of column failure is, first of all, I will tell you, as you can see guys, this is the size of column. Suppose the size of the column is 9 by 9 inches. Okay. And you want to build ground floor, first floor and second floor. Of course, this column will fail after some time. That's why, because 9 by 9 inch is not the standard size for the 3-story or 2-story. Okay. So therefore, you should have the structural drawing and you should have knowledge that what should be the size of RCC column for 3-story or 2-story or just for ground floor. So this is the first reason that you don't know the size of the column. You just build by a contractor if they consider anything. So you are agree with them. So therefore you will face the problem. So the size of the column is the first reason of column failure. The second one is, the first one is column size. This is the first reason of the failure reason of column. The second one is guys, steel reinforcement. Okay. So steel reinforcement is the second failure of, the second reason of failure in column. That's why, because if you want to build 2-story ground floor plus first floor and you place just 4 steel rods, so this is 100%, I am giving you 100% guarantee that 9 by 9 inch cannot support the ground floor and first floor. In the future, you are not able to construct the other story. Just 9 by 9 inch and 4 steel rods can work just for ground floor, domestic building, only for 1 story. So therefore, this is the second reason. And I saw most of the people, they are just using 4 steel rods, dia is 10 mm. 4 numbers, dia 10 mm. So how it can support the structure load? So therefore, this is the second reason of column failure. Okay. Next one guys, and steel reinforcement. Okay. That is for lapping length. As you can see guys, this is the height of the column. These are steel rods. Okay. So when you are providing the lapping, so the lapping is providing L by 4 or H by 4. What is H by 4? H is the total height of the column. Suppose this is H is total height is 12 feet, suppose. So I saw most of the people, they are providing laping length here, L by 4 distance. So L by 4 distance mean after from the ground floor to the 3 feet they are providing laping. So guys, this is not the place to provide laping length. Also, sometimes they are providing here. So at this place L by 4 and also here L by 4, because we have 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the top 1 part and at the bottom 1 part. Don't provide the laping length here. So the laping length should be provided from the second and third part. If you want to place anywhere the laping length, so you are able to provide. But the laping length should be provided alternately, not like this. This is one steel rod and this is the other. Okay. So sometimes the people are providing laping length without, as you can see, at the same place, like this. So guys, this is not the proper way. So this is wrong. So the laping length should be provided alternately. As you can see, this is one steel rod, this is the other steel rod. So here provide the laping here and here. Now guys, you can see. So the laping should be provided alternately, like this and here, as you can see. So this is not at the same place. So this is the main reason when you don't provide the laping alternately, so the column will fail after some time. So therefore the laping should not be provided at the same point in steel reinforcement. Next guys, the hooks should be bent with 135 degree, these hooks. Okay, and most of the construction you can see the hooks are provided by 90 degrees, same like this. So guys, this is wrong. This is correct way, 135 degree and this is 90 degree. So 90 degree is wrong and 135 degree is okay. Okay, hooks should be, hooks angle should be 135 degree and length of hooks should be not less than 3 inches, or you can say 75 mm. This is also very important. Next guys, the concrete cover should not be less than 1 inch. Okay, so concrete cover should be from 25 to 40 mm. This is concrete cover. If you don't provide the concrete cover, so the main longitudinal bars can make corrosion. So the corrosion is also one of the reason for failure, RCC column failure. Okay, if you increase the size of column, then we will increase the numbers of bars. This is also very important. It doesn't mean if the column size is 12 by 12 inches, you will just use 4 steel rods or 6 steel rods. The dia should be increased if we increase the size of the column. The numbers of steel rods should be increased according to the size. So this is the most important thing. Next guys, in most of the construction I saw, they are using just 6 mm stirrup dia and spacing is about 300 mm. So guys, therefore this is also the failure reason. Okay, so the spacing of the stirrup should not be more than, for 2 story or 3 story, why not 1 story, it should not be more than 200 mm and the dia should be 8 mm, not less than 8 mm. Okay, C/C. So this is for stirrups. So guys, this is the topic, why column or fail after some time. So these are the reasons and the solutions. I told you already that the hooks should not be bent with 90 degree. What is the solution? Solution is 135 degree. When the column become failed, so we cannot find any solution because it is already failed. So therefore these are the solutions. So the column hooks should be bent with 135 degree. The length should be minimum 3 inches. The size of the column should be depend on the structure load. According to the structure load, you will increase the size of the column. According to the size of the column, we will increase the number of steel rods. Okay, so when you are providing the laping length, one thing remember, okay, the laping length should dia should not be the laping length should not be less than 50 D, where D is die of steel rod. So you should use the proper formula. It doesn't mean if you use the 2 feet or 3 feet. Okay, so all these things is depend on the 50 D. 50 D to 60 D you can take the lapping length. Then that is the better point. Okay, hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.